22% in Bangladesh, let's say 1951, according to the data that has come in. There have been now a population of Hindus in Bangladesh, increasingly that has been persecuted and reduced to about less than 10%. And this time as well, with uncertainty looming large, there have been reports of targeted attacks at the Hindu minority houses and temples. While there are volunteers too who have come in to ensure that this should not happen, and they are trying to guard as many temples as possible. But this also means that there are disturbing concerns that the Hindu minority in fear in Bangladesh would be facing. Let's take a look now at this report coming in. Remember, Bangladesh has had history of persecution of Hindus, and therefore there are concerns, rightly so.
Idols of Bhagwan Jagannath, Balbhadra and Devi Subhadra on the floor of a burnt temple in Bangladesh. Hindu community members rushed to the temple after it was vandalized, looted and set on fire by a mob marching to Dhaka in the name of a revolution to oust then Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina.
कल शाम पे लगभग 5:30 से 5:30 बजे में जो मसूली है, जो लगभग 500 से 1000 आदमी आया, तो हमारा इधर से घुसकर सब कुछ तोड़-फोड़ किया। साथ से उन लोग हमारा मंदिर पे अग्नि संयोग किया और गन पाउडर और इधर बोमा भी हमको निक्षेप किया। आप देख सकते हैं ये सारी सब कुछ तोड़-फोड़ किया।
But these images are only symbolic of a wider, systematic targeting of minority Hindus in Bangladesh since the ouster of Sheikh Hasina. The Daily Star in Bangladesh reported the targeting, loot, plunder, arson and violence against Hindus in 27 districts across the country. So bad has been the situation in Bangladesh that External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar informed both houses of parliament about India's concerns about this targeting of Hindu businesses and temples.
What was particularly worrying was that minorities, their businesses and temples also came under attack at multiple locations. Naturally remain deeply concerned till law and order is visibly restored.
Local minority Hindus are living in fear. There have been reports of a mob of 200 to 300 armed people arriving in localities, singling out homes, businesses and temples of Hindus and targeting them. A priest at the ISKCON temple in Bangladesh told India Today that they'd reached out both to the Bangladesh police and the Rapid Action Battalion, but no help came their way.
Police, Rapid Action Battalion, others had no help. Help के लिए अपारगता किया.
In fact, Hindu women live in fear, with some saying they may seek refuge in India unless there is a crackdown on radical Islamist elements in Bangladesh. India Today caught up with a Hindu woman at the India-Bangladesh border, living in fear in Bangladesh since the ouster of the Sheikh Hasina government.
মারামারি ঘর দুয়ার ভাঙা ভাঙি মেয়ে গেরে হাত ধরে নিয়ে টেনে টেনে নিয়ে চলে যাচ্ছে।
আপনি চান যে ভারতে চলে আসতে?
হ্যাঁ, যদি আমাকে সেরকম আসতে পারতাম তাহলে তো আমরা চলে আসতাম। আমরা এইরকম হুমকির মুখে থাকতে চাচ্ছি। বিজেপি কখনো কোন একটা
The targeting of Hindu businesses, homes and temples was raised even by political leaders in Bengal, with leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari saying India must prepare to give refuge to 1 crore Hindus living in fear in Bangladesh.
1 কোটি শরণার্থী পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আসবে। বাংলাদেশে হিন্দু কতল চলছে। পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী রাজ্যপালকে বলবো অবিলম্বে ভারত সরকারের সঙ্গে কথা বলুন, 1 কোটির বেশি হিন্দু শরণার্থীকে নেওয়ার জন্য সবাই মানসিক প্রস্তুতি নেন।
Radical Islamists are believed to have targeted the Indira Gandhi Cultural Center in Dhaka, run by the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Government of India. A social media campaign being triggered for India out in Bangladesh for several months is also gaining ground, indicating a sustained effort to target Hindus and India in Bangladesh by hostile elements. With Suryagni Roy at the India-Bangladesh border, Bureau Report, India Today.